Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry I didn't make a video last week. I was going through a lot of stuff. Unfortunately I wasn't able to film, but I am back, so I'm so excited that I'm back. Today we are going to be doing a Q&A video. I had asked on my socials questions that you wanted to ask, and here I am to answer. And at the end of the video, because this video shouldn't take too long, I am going to be putting in a little IG, well, it's going to be on my Instagram, a little tutorial. It's literally like a 30-second tutorial of this look that I did. You can't see, so there it is. Yeah, all right here. Yeah, so I mean, we're pretty much just gonna get into it. I hope everyone had a good week last week. Again, I am sorry that I wasn't able to post a video, but I am back and I am going to be continuously posting every Sunday, so make sure that you have your notifications on, so when I do post a video, you get a notification on your phone, you know, like one of those cool people, you know. I feel awesome. You know, it's actually like really crazy. So since I've been doing this, I mean, I only have 2 YouTube videos out, but since I have been doing makeup and like really getting into it, it's so amazing to see like some of my friends or just random people just, you know, like sending me a message or sending me a video of them watching my video, and it's so weird and it's so crazy to me. And last weekend my sisters actually came over and they were like, I was downstairs and I came up and I heard my voice on the TV. I'm like, what is that? And my sister was like, oh, I didn't watch your last video. I was like, this is weird. I'm gonna need you to turn it off. I'm gonna need you to watch my video in your own, you know, your own time, because this ain't it. This ain't it, sis. Nice, and it's so refreshing to see. I love all of you guys, and thank you guys so much for your support. This has been amazing. So many crazy things have already happened in 2020, and I'm very excited to see where I'll be at the end of the year. And I'm really excited. What got you into makeup? So I mean, I was always doing makeup, like when my mom allowed me to start buying makeup. It was just like, you know, mascara, just a simple like Maybelline like palette, like one of those little eyeshadow like 3 trio palettes. I didn't really start getting it like into it June of 2019. I don't know what sparked in me. I was just like, I'm just gonna start posting pictures. Like, I'm just gonna go into it, like not even like ease into it. And I mean, if you see like before and after, not before and after, but like when I first started to now, the difference is literally insane. Like, so much fun, and I love like but like interacting with other beauty gurus or influencers. Like, I love it, and I love being able to share my tips with people or learn from other people. Favorite makeup look you've ever done? I will actually plug that in. That was actually a recreation from Miss Norvina when she released the Volume 3 palette, which is my favorite. One of my favorite palettes ever. The whole Norvina collection is absolutely amazing. They are my holy grails, which is actually two-parter question. Someone had asked me what was my holy grail product, and I have to say my Norvina palettes. I'm missing Volume 2, sorry guys, but it's like a lot of blues, and there's some like little like greens in there, but I already have Blue Blood from Jeffree Star, so I was like, I'm not gonna spend, you know, $60 on another palette, which, trust me, I would love it if I could just drop $60 on a palette, but I already have Blue Blood, so I already have a bunch of blues, so I just didn't feel the need that I needed it. The Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer, oh my gosh, this is a game changer. If you do not, okay, so if you feel like you are lacking, like when you put on eyeshadow and you feel like you have to keep packing and keep packing and keep packing, you should probably find an eye primer if you're not already using one. That's probably where your problem is. I recommend the Anastasia's eye primer. I have never found an eye primer as good as theirs. Your colors will literally like pop like 10, like literally like, oh my gosh. It is absolutely amazing. I think it was like $18 for it. It's 7 milliliter, 0.24 ounces. but literally a little dot, that little dot will last you your whole eye. It's absolutely amazing. What is your go-to drugstore brand? So I actually, you guys are gonna think that I'm snobby. So I'm not snobby. I just don't go to Walmart and just go there to buy makeup. I mean, like, I go to Ulta. Like, that's just it. And then whatever I see at Ulta is what I get. And more than likely, it's usually a high-end product. So there's nothing against drugstore brands. I do love e.l.f. So that is the putty primer for my face that I use is e.l.f.'s. e.l.f. has a really good poreless primer. Favorite looks to do. I love big, bold, colorful eyeshadow. Even when I have to like paint my face, like whatever I'm doing, like my whole face, and I'm trying to like transform myself into something that I'm not, like a character. But yeah, no, big bright colors are my favorite. I cannot, there's nothing wrong with soft glam. They're so cute, but I can't stand it. I feel like I'm the only one who has issues trying to blend neutral colors, and I don't understand. Like, there are girls and boys that literally just, you know, they kill it, and I'm like, how? Like, now let me backtrack here. I just did a wedding for like the first time ever, and they all wanted like a soft glam, and I did good on that, right? But when I did it on myself, I was like, I forgot how to blend. Like, what is happening? I just find colorful looks easy, like color eyeshadows easier to blend. Who are your favorite MUAs and inspirations? So I'm gonna go into the aspect of like celebrity-wise inspirations. I love Norvina. Norvina is literally the most amazing person ever. She actually like will interact with, you know, the fans of Anastasia, her mom. Oh my, she's another inspiration of mine. They are just so hardworking. They really listen to their consumers, which is absolutely amazing. I mean, Norvina is like on her shit. Like, she will be like, what do we think about this? I forget what she had asked. I think it was about I forget what it was about, but she was like, what do you guys think about this? And we were like, no girl, like, that's not it. And she was like, oh, okay, well, no problem. She will ask like, what are you guys looking for? Like, what do you guys want from Anastasia next? We're like, hey, why don't you recommend this, or recommend this, recommend this? And Norvina's like, okay. And then literally like a year later, here it is. Not even a year, but you know what I mean? Like, within the time frame, it's coming out. And we're like, okay, Norvina, we see you. Norvina is absolutely amazing, and so is her mom, Anastasia. I love everything about ABH and everything it represents. An amazing company, and I have never found anything wrong with any of their products. Their products are literally like, I have so many products of theirs, it's not even funny. I don't need every single palette or every single release that comes out, but it's really hard not to buy it because I want it, you know? When it comes to MUAs, I have so many that it's hard to list. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna leave a few in my description. I'm gonna leave the links to their Twitters, just some ones you can, just ones that I can know off the top of my head. Mick Drew, these are all Twitter names. Mick Drew, Blenderella, oh my gosh, Nat V, Cody J, Lavender Beauty. I know it's Love and Beauty, but how it's like spelled is like Lavender Beauty. But yeah, so anyways, I'm gonna link all of those in the bio to Love and Beauty, or Marley. I think her name is Marley. I'm sorry if I butchered your @ wrong. I was just trying to give a description of your @ What part of makeup do you hate and like the most? What I like the most is doing my eyeshadow, because that's it. What I hate the most is lashes. I hate lashes so much with a passion, only because, no, don't get me wrong, I love lashes when they're on, but getting them on is what I hate the most, because sometimes my eye will start to water, and then just the corner of my eye, the lash just does not want to stick to the corner of my eye, and it is so annoying and it's infuriating and I hate it. But besides my eyes, I like doing my eyebrows. My eyebrows are fun. Found it was the hardest to master. I want to say blending. I mean, I still have work when it comes to my blending that I want to perfect, but that is something that was hard for me to even get. And yes, I can blend, but I'm still not where I want to be. Most expensive and least expensive product. Honestly want to say my Norvina palettes were the most expensive. Alright guys, so that's it. That's all the questions I want to answer for today. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Remember, I am going to be putting in a little snippet from my IG tutorial, my tutorial that I'm going to be putting on Instagram. I keep calling it an IG tutorial because that's what it's for. It's for my IG. But here I am, I'm going to put it in the video because why not, you know? So yeah, I hope you guys have a good week. I will be back next week with another brand new video. I don't know what I'm going to do yet, you know, leave some suggestions in the comments below. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Hit the notification bell so you get the notification when I post a video and I pop up on your phone like, hey there, new video, watch me. Thank you guys. See you later. Again, I will leave all of my socials in the description box below. Make sure that you follow my Instagram page, follow my Twitter. I think that's it, right? Oh, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.